Hello, my name's Caroline Richards and my business is the Joy Practitioner. I host goddess gatherings from my home in Milton Keynes, which is an opportunity for women to just come and be. We're all so stressed and busy with work and children and home, and this is a bit of time for ourselves. I found us there at a time when I was really struggling with my marketing and wanting to increase my reach. And I'm also very keen on exploring a global market, because with an online course you can attract people from anywhere in the world, and I'm very keen for women everywhere to be able to access my services because I think they're really needed. I found that Uzaire's course is very straightforward. He has a system, and that's the best thing about it, is that it's a question of following steps. And you know that because he's done it himself, you know that it works, and you can see from his channel that he has huge numbers of visitors and great engagement in his videos. So he's been extremely helpful with me and very patient, because I don't really have very great grasp of technology, and he's really helped me to focus on exactly what I need to do. And at the end of the day, it's really just a question of sitting down and making some videos. So I'd like to say a big thank you to Uzaire for starting me off on my YouTube journey, and I'm really excited to find out exactly where it's going to take me.